Today on Cooking with Apple, I'm going to make for you creamy spinach mushroom pasta. It's really good. Trust me. So I went ahead and added the spaghetti to the pot. I'm just gonna let it cook for 10 minutes. Now this is ready for the spinach. Okay, even though it says that it's been thoroughly washed, I'm still gonna wash it because that's just me. I don't believe everything I read. What should I use? The Parmesan or the Mexican style shredded cheese? Parmesan, Mexican style shredded cheese. Parmesan, Mexican style shredded cheese. Okay, Parmesan. So we're gonna use the entire pack because I love cheese, man.